So do you want to build passive income online as a beginner, but you just don't know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 easy passive income streams you can start building up right now. I'm gonna share that all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jade. On this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And from time to time, I give you little helpful tips of how you can actually generate an online income by creating different passive income streams. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And anytime you're getting value in today's video, make sure you guys hit that like button because that helps this channel out a lot. Now let's jump into the video. So anytime someone hears passive income, they usually think about different stocks and dividends they can do online. But today's video is more so about how to create passive income with an audience. So everything I'm talking about today is truly maximized when you have created an audience. In my separate video, I taught you exactly how to create an audience from scratch. So if you want to check that out, then look at my links down below. But the first way you can actually start building passive income online is by creating a YouTube channel. Now, I know some of you may not like to put your face on YouTube and you really don't like to be exposed to the whole world, but there are different YouTube channels you can start without sharing your face or even your voice. This is what we call faceless channels or voiceless channels. A lot of people have created faceless channels with them covering different trending topics in the news or teaching people how to do a particular thing. I think YouTube is the greatest way of creating passive income because at this time, it is the only platform that allows you to get paid for the content you have created. And YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and people consume tons of hours on YouTube. So this is a great place to start as a beginner. And again, it pays you to create content on the YouTube platform. So once you have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, then you will be able to monetize your channel through the YouTube Partner Program. So this is a great way to get paid for the content that you create, but it's also a great way to build up an audience that you can monetize in the future. And that goes with my next one. When you create a YouTube channel, you can actually get brand deals or sponsorships through different companies who want you to review their products. So this typically happens when a brand wants to work with you and have you review one of their products or one of their services. So this form of making money online is not more so passive, but it is one of the easiest ways for you to make a high dollar amount online. Some people have brand sponsorships that pays them $300 for 30 seconds and even up to $2,000 for a particular review video. Now, the next way of how you can make money online passively is by leaving links to other people's products. This is what you call affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is essentially you pointing people towards a particular product you really believe in or a service you really enjoy using. So I would encourage anybody, if you are leaving links for your audience to click on, make sure it's something you really believe in. Make sure it is a service you actually use. So think about different products or services that you use at home. Most likely that company has an affiliate program that you can be a part of. And therefore, when you have your audience built up, you can start leaving down links in your description box below or maybe in your Facebook group and talk about how that particular product or service has helped you out in some way, shape, or form. Again, this is a great way to build passive income because when somebody clicks on that particular link and buy that particular product or service, the company normally gives you a commission for that sale. That means you are making money off of someone else's product, all because you left a link for your followers to click. And what I like about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to have money to get started and you don't have to have a large following to actually benefit from. Think about products and services you already use and think about building up an audience, and you will realize that over time, those clicks turn into commissions and therefore it turns into money for you passively. So the next tip I can give to you is to create and sell your own digital products online. If you've been around my channel for a while, I am a firm believer that the fastest way to make passive income online is by you creating and selling a digital product. So when you think about creating and selling your own digital products online, there are tons of things you can create right now that can pay you passively in the future. And one of those things is creating an ebook. You can actually create a digital invite. You can create digital planners. And the best way to sell these things is by using the platform called Etsy. So the reason why I like creating and selling digital products online is because you make that product one time, but it has the potential of making money for you multiple times. That means you can sell that product over and over again for years to come, and it still make you money online. And so if you haven't learned how to create these digital products and start selling them on Etsy, I have an entire playlist dedicated to helping beginners create and sell digital products online with Etsy. So if you want to check that out, check out my link in my description box below. And the last thing I can give to you of how you can make money passively as a beginner online is to monetize your knowledge by creating an e-course. Now, I know when you hear that, normally people think about, telling people or teaching people how to make money online. But again, I'm talking about you monetizing what you already know. It might be a certain skill that you have. It might be a hobby that you have. Creating an e-course doesn't mean you have to teach people how to make money. Creating an e-course is all about teaching people what they want to know. And I want you to think about the hobbies you enjoy or the skill set that you acquired over the years, and think about ways you can monetize that. Again, you will be surprised that there are tons of e-courses around how to dance, how to do hair, how to do comedy, how to cook, and of course, how to create and sell digital products online. And so don't downplay what you already know. Don't downplay your hobbies. Just think about how can you monetize what you already know, what you already enjoy, and then place that product in front of someone who really wants to know your knowledge and is willing to pay for it. If you want to learn more about how to make passive income online, make sure to check out my helpful links in my videos down below. And if you want to see more content like this, I create new videos just like this every week to help you learn how to create and sell digital products online. So as always, my friends, if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.